Understanding high-stakes game in English. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, high-stakes game. This phrase is not just about games. It's a powerful expression used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. The term, high-stakes game, refers to a situation where there is a lot at risk. Stakes here symbolize the value or the consequences involved in the outcome of a certain activity or decision. When the stakes are high, it means the potential losses or gains are significant. Although it originates from gambling, where stakes are the money bet in a game, this phrase extends far beyond to describe any high-risk scenario. In business. In the business world, a high-stakes game might refer to a major investment, a crucial deal negotiation, or a strategic decision that could significantly affect a company's future. In relationships. Even in relationships or personal life decisions, this phrase might be used. For instance, proposing marriage or deciding to move to a new country for a partner can be considered a high-stakes game. In politics. In politics, a high-stakes game could describe an election, a diplomatic negotiation, or a legislative decision, where the outcomes have substantial consequences for the involved parties. Let's see how this phrase can be naturally integrated into conversations. 1. The CEO is playing a high-stakes game by merging with the international company. 2. Choosing to study abroad is a high-stakes game. It involves risk but also the potential for great reward. 3. The presidential election is always a high-stakes game with the future of the country at stake. Understanding the phrase, high-stakes game, enriches your English vocabulary, especially in understanding the nuances of risk and importance in various scenarios. We hope this video sheds light on this intriguing phrase and helps you confidently use it in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.